Amazing how people can still find it though. It's quite an old video.
Because the more searches you get, it comes to the top of the search.
Really?
Yeah. The more people reviewed it.
What was it under? Like Hampton Mansion or something?
Critter Home, Hamster Mansion, yeah.
It was a bit of a mansion, wasn't it? And we were like one of the first people to do it, really, weren't we? Do you think?
Yeah. People are still commenting on it right now. I was reading it all and it was saying like, whoa, if I was a hamster I'd be getting lost in that. God, that must have been expensive. And then there's loads of like foreign reviews as well, but I don't know what they are.
Should we go back to Canberra next year?
You want to go back there?